I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to.
I got the Chupa Chups candle set. I'll show you the candle. These I had to get them for a better scent in the house. This one smells good. These are the small ones I got because they were cheaper. Maybe in the future I'll get the bigger ones. This one's the yellow one. This one smells nice. I'm putting this for the kitchen. And the one that we put for the room was the purple one. Also smells nice. The one that I adore is this one. It's cinnamon. Wait, cinnamon. Yeah, pomme cannelle, apple cannelle. Yeah, it's cinnamon apple. It smells so good. I love it. Busy hectic day that I didn't get to film the shopping process for you guys, but I can show you what I got. Bath salts. I don't have a top yet. It's a work in process. We'll get there. But I love bath salts. Good for your skin. Good for my energy. And you can use them as a bath and foot salt too. Stu is changing the tap. We got a new tap too. But what I'm excited to try is this yogurt. I've been looking at it at all the. I've been looking for it at all the big supermarkets, but y'all cleared them off the racks. And today I got lucky. I finally got the yogurt cheesecake probiotic. I want to try it out. I want to see what the hype is about, why everyone always keeps seeking them off the racks. Give me a moment while I open this. Okay, the moment of truth. I like it. It does taste like cheesecake. Strawberry cheesecake. Okay, now I get the hype. What's the more I got? Brownies, chocolate brownies. I got these. And don't you say room horns? Like horns with cream in it, a cream pudding filling. Because they look really yummy in the display. More chocolates. Balls. Chocolate lots of problems. And the pomme bruges. Pomme is a famous Surinamese dish that was brought to Suriname from or by the Jews. And I got that. So it's a foodie night for snacks. You stew is really fast, like within a few seconds. He removed the old tap and added a new one. What? That fixed it. It works now. Now we got a bit more modern tab that we can move around. Cool. Guys, now it's time to test this plum pastry. Since they already finished changing the tap, we're gonna change some other things. If you guys want to see more technical tutorials or stuff like that, let me know in the comment section and I'll make it work, because normally I just eat through while we work through these things. But if you want to see that more of my videos, we can make it work. Palm. Real palm in it.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep